Welcome to Zenjy, your go-to channel for smart trading tools and strategies. In today's video, we're going to show you one of the most advanced indicators built for TradingView, a powerful tool based on the SMC and ICT strategy that gives you high-precision buy and sell signals and takes your trading to the next level. This indicator is not just another signal tool. It combines smart money concepts, SMC, and the ICT, Inner Circle Trader, strategy to give you a professional level trading view directly on your chart. What makes it different? It draws everything automatically for you. Order blocks, break of structure, BOS, key supply and demand zones, entry signals, trend confirmation using multiple indicators. Everything is ready on your TradingView chart in seconds. No manual drawing, no complicated setup. Let's take a real trade setup. You can see that the indicator gave a sell signal right after price tapped into a premium order block. All the indicators on the right side were showing confirmation. MACD, Momentum, Vortex, PSAR, DMI, and Fisher all pointed to bearish pressure. Then look what happened. Price dropped exactly as expected. The trend was perfectly aligned and the system avoided false signals. This kind of precision helps you avoid emotional decisions and lets you trade with full confidence. Here's another example. The indicator gave a buy signal after confirming a break of structure to the upside. Multiple confluences appeared, order block support, RSI and MACD turned bullish, and the overall direction flipped green. You can see how price followed through directly after the confirmation, giving a strong move in the trend's direction. The indicator works using an advanced combination of price action and indicator-based filters. It detects when structure shifts using BOS and COC. It identifies liquidity grabs and imbalance zones. It uses over 10 technical indicators to confirm each signal, including MACD, stochastic, momentum, RSI, DMI, MF5, Fisher transform, and more. You'll always know when the market is giving you a strong setup and when it's best to wait. This indicates TradingView. No need for MT4 or MT5, no complicated coding, no installations. It's plug and play. Just load it on your chart and you're ready to go. It's designed to avoid choppy zones and only give signals when all filters are aligned. That's how we help reduce false trades and give you real, powerful entries. If you're ending this indicator and joining the Zenjy FX community of smart traders, contact us on Instagram. The link is in the description below. We'll give you full access, guidance, and everything you need to get started. Trade smarter. Trade with Zenjy FX. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Zenjy FX, and hit the bell icon for more powerful trading tools and strategies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.